Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we're going to cover how to get global API key on Cloudflare. Understanding how to obtain your global API key on Cloudflare is crucial for anyone looking to manage integrations with other services or APIs effectively. This key plays a vital role in ensuring secure communications between your services and Cloudflare, which is indispensable for maintaining the integrity and security of your operations. Today, we're here to guide you through this process, which is simple yet critical for a smooth workflow. So, let's jump right into it. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Cloudflare account. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Cloudflare website and enter your email and password to gain access. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard, your central hub where all configurations and settings are managed. This is where the magic starts. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your avatar there, which is easy to spot. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering a range of options. From this menu, select My Profile. This will lead you to a page dedicated to your account settings and preferences. Once you're on your profile page, look for the section labeled API Tokens. This area is crucial as it contains all the necessary information regarding your API keys and tokens, which are essential for accessing Cloudflare services programmatically. Within this section, you will see a specific area marked as API Keys. This is where we can find the Global API Key, a powerful tool that facilitates various backend processes. Now, under the API Key section, you will see an option labeled Global API Key. Right next to it, there is a View button. Clicking this button will prompt Cloudflare to ask for your account password once more. This step is an important security measure to ensure that only authorized users can view this sensitive information. So go ahead and enter your password to proceed. After entering your password, the Global API Key will be displayed. It's important to note that this key is shown only once. Therefore, you need to act quickly but carefully. Copy the key immediately and make sure to store it securely. You might want to use a password manager or another secure storage solution of your choice. Keeping this key private and secure is essential, because anyone with access to it can perform tasks on your Cloudflare account that require certain privileges. Remember, your Global API Key is a powerful component of your Cloudflare toolkit. It allows you to interact with Cloudflare's API, automate tasks, and manage resources programmatically. Handling it with care ensures that your integrations maintain the highest level of security, protecting both your data and operations. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully accessed and secured your Cloudflare Global API Key. Thank you for joining us on PMN Online for this tutorial. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to get Global API Key on Cloudflare quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to get Global API Key on Cloudflare, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.